Recycle bin is a folder on Windows that contains all your deleted files before they are removed permanently from the PC. But sometimes you are unable to see the recycle bin icon due to Windows update or other registry errors. It's okay, we are here to tell you how to get the recycle bin back on Windows 10.
Subscribe and press bell icon and never miss another update from Tweak Library.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivani and check out this video till the end if you want to restore the recycle bin icon back on your desktop. How to restore lost recycle bin icon on Windows 10. Step 1. Click on the start button from the bottom left of the window and let the menu unfold. Choose settings from here. Step 2. Under personalization section, select themes, locate desktop icon settings. Step 3. Tick mark the checkbox of recycle bin and you will be able to restore the lost recycle bin in Windows 10. Yes, it was that simple. Oh wait, you didn't get it? Well, we have some more solutions for you. Yes, you can check the tablet mode settings and tweak them a bit. Just click Start, Reach Settings System, Tablet Mode. Switch off Hide App icons on the taskbar in tablet mode and automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode. And we are sure you will get back your lost recycle bin icon on Windows 10 once again. If you have recovered your lost icon back, send us thumbs up in the comment section below. And if you haven't, let us know the error you are getting. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.